The Redmi K80 Ultra has already started making waves in the tech community even before its official launch, as early reviews and detailed teardowns have surfaced online, giving us a first-hand look at what could easily be the next flagship killer of 2025. And trust me, this device is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones in recent years, with a perfect balance of design, performance, and innovation that might just redefine what we expect from a premium mid-range flagship competitor. So let's dive deep into what makes the Redmi K80 Ultra such a buzzworthy phone. According to reports, tech enthusiasts in China have already managed to get their hands on the device ahead of its formal debut, and teardown experts like Home have completely disassembled the smartphone, giving us a very clear idea of the materials, design approach, and engineering brilliance that Xiaomi has packed into this highly anticipated release. At first glance, the Redmi K80 Ultra impresses with its fiberglass back featuring a frosted finish, making it not only look premium but also feel resistant to fingerprints and smudges, something that users with long-term usage concerns will truly appreciate. Adding to its aesthetic charm is the quad-curved metal frame, which seamlessly blends into design, giving the phone a sleek and modern vibe, while the bold metal camera island gives a distinctive look and enhances durability around the most vulnerable part of the phone. On the front, Xiaomi has gone with a large and immersive 6.83-inch LTPS OLED display, pushing full HD plus resolution, while supporting a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate, making the Redmi K80 Ultra a dream device for gamers, binge watchers, and everyday scrollers alike. What's even more impressive is the panel's symmetrical bezels, ensuring an edge-to-edge experience, and the fact that this OLED screen is manufactured by TCL, known for quality and innovation in display tech, only adds to the confidence that Redmi is serious about performance and reliability here. To top it off, the display is protected by Xiaomi's in-house Dragon Crystal Glass, which promises improved durability, scratch resistance, and drop protection compared to older Gorilla Glass solutions, giving users peace of mind when it comes to daily wear and tear. Despite housing all these premium design elements, the phone weighs just 223.5 grams, which might not be the lightest phone around but feels balanced in hand for a device of this size and class. Now, while design and build are definitely important, it's a teardown that revealed some truly exciting aspects of the Redmi K80 Ultra, because inside, Xiaomi has made sure to use a robust vapor chamber cooling system to keep the performance in check, especially during heavy gaming sessions or prolonged high-performance tasks. Reports suggest that the phone will be powered by one of Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen series chipsets, although Xiaomi is yet to officially confirm the exact SoC. And this means we can expect blazing fast performance, top-tier AI capabilities, and industry-leading efficiency, ensuring that the Redmi K80 Ultra can handle anything from demanding games to advanced multitasking with ease. On top of that, the disassembly confirmed the use of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, which means app load times, file transfers, and system responsiveness will be faster than ever, rivaling even some ultra-premium flagships at nearly double the expected price. Moving on to the cameras, while the teardown didn't fully confirm sensor details, leaks point to a triple camera system headlined by a massive 200 MP primary sensor with OIS, a high-resolution ultra-wide sensor, and a telephoto lens for zoom capabilities, which if true, would make the Redmi K80 Ultra a photography powerhouse and a direct competitor to some of the most expensive flagship devices from Samsung and Apple. The metal camera island mentioned earlier isn't just for looks. It provides rigidity and better heat dissipation for the camera sensors, ensuring stability and consistency during long recording sessions or low-light photography. Home's teardown also revealed a dual-cell battery structure, which not only helps with balanced weight distribution, but also paves the way for extremely fast charging speeds, with rumors suggesting that Xiaomi will offer support for up to 120W wired charging and 50W wireless charging, giving users the ability to juice up their device in record time. Combine that with MIUI's software optimizations based on Android 15, and you're looking at a phone that offers smoothness, customization, and smart features designed to get the most out of the hardware. Another interesting highlight is the symmetrical dual stereo speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos, promising an immersive multimedia experience whether you're gaming, watching movies, or listening to music. And this aligns perfectly with the high refresh rate display to make the K80 Ultra a true entertainment beast. Durability is another area where Xiaomi seems to have taken user concerns seriously, as reports suggest that the device comes with improved water and dust resistance, possibly IP68, meaning you won't have to worry about accidental splashes or dust particles interfering with your device's performance. And while the official launch is still around the corner, these teardowns and early reviews paint a very promising picture of the Redmi K80 Ultra as a device that is not only built with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology, but also with the end user in mind, offering practicality, durability, and style in a single package. If priced correctly, this phone has the potential to disrupt the smartphone market in 2025, just as Xiaomi's earlier models did in previous years. And that is why tech enthusiasts around the globe are waiting eagerly for the official launch event. So, what do you think about the Redmi K80 Ultra? Could this be your next daily driver? Or do you think it will just be another overhyped release? One thing is for sure, Xiaomi has definitely raised expectations with this one, and all eyes will be on the pricing and availability details. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of what could be another legendary chapter in Redmi's history. And as always, I'll be here to break it all down for you, right here on TechVerse.